Today's topic is how to change the direction of the pattern. If you are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Choose one pattern. Step 2. Click the set icon here. Step 3. Press this button to change the direction. Or if you want to rotate the pattern to any degree, click this icon here. Enter the number of degrees you'd like to change for. Then click OK. Direction changed. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. Hope it can help you. If you like our video, click the subscribe button below to follow us. If you have any suggestion, please leave us a message. See you next time!